Hi there friend, if your Android phone feels slow or you are trying to save storage and mobile data, Facebook Lite can be a great choice. In this simple 2026 guide, I'll show you how to install it step by step. Just follow along and you all have it to ready in minutes. Let's get started. So first of all, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. After the Play Store app is open, go to the search bar at the bottom or top menu bar. Here you can simply type Facebook Lite. After you type it, simply hit the search button. Then you can see the exact app result appear. Once you found the official Facebook Lite app, simply tap to open the next page. After that, here you can find the blue install button appear. Once you found them, simply tap on it and wait to complete the installation process. I hope this guide made easy everything. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next simple Android tutorial soon. Bye, take care.